So first of thing is what it is. It's a full-time resident course to prepare Vedic Pracharaks for Western world. This is started last year. Emphasis will be on enhancing the English skills of existing Vedic priests, those who have already got the education in Sanskrit or Vedic scriptures or Shastras. Those the existing Vedic priests are being trained, their skills have been enhanced for this, and it's being conducted at Tapovan Ashram, Dehradun, India. Lots of you might have been there already, and course duration is 1 year. So last year it started and it's going to be ending in September this year. What's the need of this course? First and foremost is to achieve the need of Krimanto Vishwamaryam and to spread the knowledge of Vedas and our scriptures globally. The Pracharaks must be fully conversant in English. That's the mostly widely accepted language. Then further will be French and other languages, which we will move on once this program is successful. Second thing is to communicate better with younger generation. We had lots of session about that, how to communicate, how to motivate them, how to develop them as leaders. But then to communicate with them, we have to be at their level, and for that reason this is a focus of that program, that how to communicate with the younger generation. Then the third, last not the least, there is a shortage of English speaking priests in the Western world. They are needed to be able to do Shastra with representatives of various other sects, which is also the need of the hour. To spread the truth and denounce the untruth, we have to do the healthy debates with the people and prove that what is wrong and what is right. So for that, we should be able to communicate with them. Our preachers should be able to communicate with them in their language, and should be able to explain to them in their language that this is what the truth is. Who are the sponsors? So first one is the program is a brainchild and dream project of Dr. D. Mandu Chandora of Atlanta. May I request Dr. Chandora ji to please stand up. At least people know you. At least after please. For now it's fully funded by Dr. Chandora, but more sponsors to start similar course in additional languages are needed. If we are to expand it to different languages, definitely we'll have to add more support to that program. So any of you who want to help us in that regard, they are appreciated. It's being conducted in direct supervision of Acharya Ashish Darshanacharya. He is a disciple of Swami Satyapati Ji Maharaj, and he is currently based in the Vedic Sadhana Ashram Vedic Sadhana Ashram Tapovan, Dehradun, and he is conducting the program wholeheartedly for last 1 year. He has been totally devoted to this program. And other people in the advisory board are Dr. Mahavir Agrawal, who is the head of the department, Gurukul Kangli Vishwavidyalaya Sanskrit, and Anugrat Aryaji, who is the son of Dr. Ram Prasad Ji Vedalankar, and he runs his own, he is a captain, pilot by profession, but he is given his services, his time to organize and support the program. And sometimes wherever I am needed, I pitch in with whatever I could do. So that's what is going on. The program objectives are, as I mentioned there. First one is to prepare Vedic scholars so that they get adjusted to Western culture, atmosphere easily. I mean, we tell them things, we explain to them things, but ultimately when they come here, that's the real experience which they get, real exposure when they come here. But yeah, basic information, basic education with related to the Western world is being imparted. Then is to enable them to be able to communicate in English in daily life, day-to-day life. Because as you know, suppose some person does not understand Hindi, suppose one person does not understand Hindi and we want him to learn Hindi, he cannot be as expert as we are in 1 year. So it takes time for the similar people. If they want to understand English, they cannot be expert in one year. So but we are at least they should be able to communicate in English in daily life, and then they build some base on which they work on more. And then to solidify their existing knowledge of Vedic scriptures and help them learn to express that knowledge in English language so that they can communicate better. And then to make them aware of common etiquettes as related to the Western world. Common things which they need to know. We are trying to have some scholars visiting there, explaining to them about the culture culture here, and that way they get a better idea of how the things go here. And then to develop the art of public speaking, that's the next point of focus. Some facts: 1 year is not enough to develop all these skills. Definitely, we are just building a base. A base is developed and they build on that when they get exposed to the Western culture, atmosphere, because they will read the real atmosphere to be fully conversant and fully English competent. And then they are expected to adapt to the condition faster and learn faster as they have the base now. This is the basic aim. That's what we are trying to achieve in 1 year. We have as of now 5 participants who have been there for last 1 year. First one is Acharya Narayan Jidjasu. He is 47-year old. He is BSc, MSc, B.Ed, LLB plus his studies of Vedic scriptures which he already has. Then Acharya Amol Kumarji, he is 24. He is MA Sanskrit and B.Ed and plus he has studied Vedic scriptures. Then Acharya Gopichandji, 29 years. He is Acharya B.Ed MPhil and he is undergoing this course. Then we have Acharya Hari Prakashji, he is 26-year-old. He is MA and Vyakaranacharya and he is undergoing this course. And Acharya Shravan Kumarji, he is 31-year-old, Vyakaranacharya, Darshanacharya, Vachaspati, and he is the 5th person who is being trained for coming here. So they all have studied either in Gurukul or they have studied from people who have studied from Gurukul, but they have the basic idea of Vedic principle, Arya Samaj, Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati's depiction of Vedic literature. So